That's a lot of snow. Taking turns because this is a lot of snow. First snowstorm of the year and we just get slammed. Love it and hate it at the same time.
Wait, I think this is good.
You think that's enough?
I do. Oh, I think I could make it.
What?
I could make it. I just go really fast. Oh.
Well, neighbors have a snowblower. I think they're gonna help us out a little bit, which is greatly appreciated. Not that I can't do this by myself with a shovel, but I will literally be out here till next week. But we got, I mean, got a good amount, if you can see. Got a good amount of it done. Just need a little boost, I guess. Done for the day. Wow. My toes are cold. My hands are cold. Everything's cold and wet. But we got it done. Thanks to the neighbors for their help with the snowblower. Much appreciated, but still, it takes a lot out of you. We're out there for like 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. I don't know. But I am dead. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hello. 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 Oh, yes. Now it's time to see if we can actually get out of the driveway with this car, not my car, because she's in hibernation for a couple days. But I'm gonna see if we can get out of the driveway because we're gonna go get some food.